Hey guys, here's a little experiment. So what I need is a gram ice mold. I don't care whatever it is. You can use whatever you want. And milk, whatever it is. Even if you're lactose intolerant, just use anti-lactose. Okay, anyways, let's get into the point. So as you can see here, there's a little hole in the middle. I'm gonna pour this milk in here. This is gonna turn out so bad. Wait. Okay, and now I've did that and shit. Let's put the milk back into the fridge and put this into the freezer. This is probably going to be in the freezer for at least an hour. So let's go back and wait. Okay, here's the final result. It looks the same, but if I touch my finger and there, it's now an ice cube. Now let's grab a small glass. Let's use this one and grab some more milk. Here's the milk, and let's push this ice cube out of this. There, you can kind of see the ice cube, but trying to get out the ice cube, it just, I don't know. Also, kind of smell shit, and it's probably gonna do too. Wait. Tastes like shit. Where's the experiment? Why did I even do this? I'm not even surprised.